now, it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
My name's Hope, and this is the Weekly Recap.
This week, the 5th graders practice their engineering skills with the egg drop experiment with Mrs. Samari and the STEM class. Mrs. Cantor, the local librarian from the Main Street Library, came to share all about her love of reading. Thanks for showing up and volunteering.
Find peace in the wellness room.
The wellness space has been a hit for all grade levels. Let's remember that when we're in there, that we're quiet, we're kind, and we're practicing peace. Check out how our 4th graders infuse art and academics when learning their vocabulary words.
Three, a four-footed creature, a dog, ruff. Centipede, centipede. Three, a creature with 100 feet, centipede. Millipede, millipede. Three, a creature with 1,000 feet, millipede.
This is Sea Lion Leader Arya with this week's announcements. Start with hello on Monday. Wear a t-shirt with a kind message. No one plays alone on Tuesday. Wear your favorite team jersey. Wednesday is Buddy Day. Wear a superhero t-shirt. Random acts of kindness happen on Thursday. Wear a tie-dye shirt. Brent Poppin assemblies are also on Thursday. Let's get inspired and learn about grit. Empathy Day is on Friday. Wear your McGaw Spirit shirt to celebrate. Come Walk in My Shoes happens on Friday. Let's take different perspectives to learn about each other.
Congratulations, McGaw. We earned more than 500 Robux.
And to celebrate, we have a DJ dance party. See you at Wednesday at lunch.
The DJ dance party will be on Wednesday, September 27th. See you there.
Here are some words of encouragement from our Sea Lion leaders.
Take a risk, Sea Lions. Always believe and never give up.
Never back down.
Never what?
Never give up.
Start with hello.
No one plays alone at McGaw.
Care about each other's needs.
Make a new friend and know their name.
Be kind without expecting something back.
Have peace in your heart and make it a great day. And now it's time for the Robux winners. Kindergarten.
Our Robux winner is Max Lasker. Ms. Tochioka says Max is always ready to learn. He sits quietly and always knows what to do because he is a great listener. Thanks for being a super scholar.
4th grade.
Our winner for 1st grade is Jax Tetrick. Jax helped 2 girls who were sick find the office. Thank you for helping your fellow sea lions. Way to go, buddy.
2nd grade.
Our winner in 2nd grade is Vance Dashbach. Van was flexible and let 8 friends in front of the line. They needed to get with their class, and he was super cool about it. Thanks so much, Vance.
3rd grade.
Our winner in 3rd grade is Ellison Wynn. Mrs. Smith noticed Ellie getting a teacher when someone wasn't making good choices while waiting at Gaga Ball. It takes all of us to make sure that McGaw is safe.
4th grade.
Our winner in 4th grade is Walter Leota. Walter was playing by himself when a friend was hands-on with him. He stayed calm and walked away. Thanks so much, Walter, for being responsible and honorable. You did the right thing and we noticed.
5th grade.
Our winner in 5th grade is Maddie Yu. Maddie stayed after the bell rang and helped clean up things that other students left behind. Thanks so much, Maddie, for caring for our wellness space. Let's go ahead and make sure we clean up after ourselves so she doesn't have to do it on her own.
And that's a wrap, Sea Lions. See you next week.
And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.